Hey guys. So I'm making a video today to talk to you guys about an endurance challenge that I have for you. I pulled up a document that I'm gonna put down in the comments below, and I will also send it to you guys through your teacher with your weekly plan. So basically. Because every year in the springtime, in the month of April, we start preparing for the health challenge, le défi de la santé. It's a 4 kilometer race that a lot of students from the region and basically the whole province participate in. It's organized by the RSEQ. And so this challenge basically is just a race. It's a regular non competitive endurance race. It's a running race, and it's done somewhere in the region. Usually, it's at La Base de Plein Air de Sainte-Foy. And so they provide a nice document where you can keep track of your progression, your working out, and I thought it was very well made, so that we could use it during our time in confinement. So basically, what I'm asking you guys is that we start preparing as we normally do for endurance. And so the way we're going to do that is you're going to have a look at the document that I'm sending to you guys. It's in French, and so you'll most likely be able to do it. But answer some of the questions. They're very basic questions. Write your name down and your age, and you'll see that week by week, it's a 4 week challenge. And week by week, you have space to give yourself some points. And so you get 1 point if you do like 30 minutes of physical activity in one day, and you get a bonus point if you do any more, and you have to describe a little bit what you do. So make sure that it's a way for us to make sure we're active, but also try to prioritize activities that are endurance activities. So things that'll make your heart pump, things that'll get you breathing, panting from fatigue, and maybe building up a sweat. So this is something obviously you can do mostly outdoors. Would be ideal around your neighborhood. Maybe go with someone. You can do some biking, some rollerblading, some running. If you're going to do something in your house or in your backyard, well, of course you're limited. But as long as if you want an idea, you could build a little circuit where you have to go through the circuit several times to try to get your whole 30 minutes done for the next week. And you'll notice that from week to week, it builds up. It goes to 35 and then 40 and then 45 minutes. And basically, it's a way for you guys to prepare for this challenge. Now, the goal, like I said, it's a non-competitive event normally, so it's a suggestion. We suggest that you do as much physical activity as you can, but of course, some days maybe you're not up for it, or it just doesn't work out in your schedule. So try to see what total of points you can get by the end of the week, and we're going to try to accumulate certain points. Like, for example, in the first week, I noticed in the document they ask you for 8 points. So you get 1 point for 30 minutes of physical activities and a bonus point. So you can pretty quickly get 2 points in one day, and that covers about 4 days. That's your goal, 8 points in a week. So that would be four active days in your week, or maybe just one active day, active 30-minute block every day. And so basically, you get all these points, and you see if you can meet the challenge. Okay, so have a look at it. And what I'd like to do as a next step, I've been thinking about. Actually, I kind of miss you guys, talking to you guys face to face and seeing all of you. So what I'd like to do is, in another communication, I will tell you exactly the information. I would like us to kind of meet. I think you guys are using Zoom with your teachers, so you're probably used to that. And so by the end of next week, I'd like us to meet on Zoom. I think I'm gonna go by grade level to meet with all of you guys, and so I'll give you an appointment to meet up with me on Zoom, and I'm gonna have a few questions for some of you. So I'm gonna do like un sondage, like a little survey to figure out what activities you guys are doing, and take a look. There's a few questions about you know, health in general, nutrition, and hydration and all that. So have a look at those, see if you can learn a few things from that and answer the questions. And if you're well prepared, well, when we meet together, I'll be asking you guys some questions, and maybe you can raise your hand or give me a thumbs up whenever you're able to answer the question. Okay, so I hope you are able to find the document. If you don't see it down in the comments, that's maybe because you're using a mobile device like a telephone or an iPad. If you use a computer, you can more easily see the comments down below. So if that's one of the issues that you have, see if you can go on a computer to see the comments down below. If you have any questions, of course, you can write them to me in the comments, and have a look at what the other questions might be. It might answer your own. It might give you some information. All right, so I guess I'll let you guys go with this challenge for this week. And like I said, by the end of next week, probably on Friday, I'd like to have a few meetings with you guys to answer some questions. Have a good week.